Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be making lose weight with a chocolate smoothie, the Cacao Bliss way. Are you looking for a delicious yet effective way to shed some pounds? A chocolate smoothie might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of weight loss, but when made with the right ingredients, it can be a game changer. Today, we're diving into how you can lose weight by sipping on a chocolate smoothie made with water and Cacao Bliss, a unique superfood blend. Why Cacao Bliss? Cacao Bliss, created by Danette May, is more than just chocolate. It's a meticulously crafted blend that combines raw cacao with other superfoods such as turmeric, MCT oil, cinnamon, and Himalayan sea salt. This combination not only satisfies your chocolate cravings, but also offers numerous health benefits, especially for those looking to lose weight. Here's how Cacao Bliss can aid your weight loss journey. 1. Appetite control. The MCT oil in Cacao Bliss helps increase feelings of fullness, reducing the urge to snack between meals. This can help maintain a calorie deficit essential for weight loss. 2. Metabolism boost. Cacao Bliss contains natural metabolism boosters like cinnamon and raw cacao. These ingredients help increase your metabolic rate, which means your body burns more calories, even at rest. 3. Mood enhancement. The theobromine in raw cacao is a natural mood enhancer, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals by improving your overall well-being and reducing emotional eating. 4. Low sugar content. Unlike traditional chocolate, Cacao Bliss contains no refined sugars. Its sweetness comes from monk fruit, which doesn't spike your blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for a weight loss diet. Chocolate smoothie recipe with water and Cacao Bliss. Now, let's put these ingredients into action with a simple and tasty chocolate smoothie recipe that's perfect for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon Cacao Bliss, 1 cup cold water or ice for a thicker texture, half banana frozen, 1 tablespoon chia seeds for added fiber and omega-3s, 1 scoop protein powder, optional for muscle support. Instructions: 1. Prepare ingredients. Gather all ingredients. Ensure the banana is frozen ahead of time for a creamier texture. 2. Blend. Add the Cacao Bliss cold water, frozen banana, chia seeds, and protein powder if using to a blender. 3. Mix until smooth. Blend on high until all ingredients are well combined and the smoothie reaches your desired consistency. 4. Serve and enjoy. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately. You can garnish with a sprinkle of Cacao Bliss or a few slices of banana for an extra treat. Tips for maximizing weight loss. Consistency is key. For the best results, replace 1 meal a day with this chocolate smoothie. It's perfect for breakfast or as a satisfying post-workout meal. Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger. Combine with a healthy diet. Ensure the rest of your meals are balanced and healthy. Incorporate lots of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Exercise. Regular physical activity boosts your calorie burn and is essential for weight loss. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. By integrating Cacao Bliss into your diet through this delicious chocolate smoothie, not only are you indulging in your chocolate cravings healthily, but you're also embracing a path to better health and weight loss. Cheers to a tasty and transformative journey. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.